Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Wanted to come and show you this. Look at the water down there. Whee! It's scary, I almost fell. We are by some huge mountains. It's gonna go, the lighting's gonna go in and out, but look at how pretty. We are between Superior and Miami. And people always have to ride on the mountain. But look how pretty. Look at how pretty the mountains are. We're gonna go walking that way. So let's see. You locked the door? Hey, isn't this pretty, you guys? The water flowing down there. And the highway's just right there. See how pretty the mountains are, you guys. They're so tall. Okay, I'll be back when I see the waterfall. Look at the water, how pretty. We're like right by the highway. See it down there? Sorry it's noisy, but we're right by the highway. Look at how pretty. There's water going down there. We have to walk this. Be back when I see the big waterfall. And there's the waterfall, you guys. Look at how pretty. See the waterfall? See if I can zoom in. There's people there. How pretty, and a big huge rock. Okie dokie. I just wanted to show you. And it goes off right there. There's my brother. And see, goes all the way. There's a waterfall, all the water that's going down. Can you see the water there?
Next, huh?
Let's see. See that big? It looks like a person, like a head and then a body. Okay. And we're like right by the highway.
Let's cross it real quick. Go over there.
No. Okie dokie. Alright. Just wanted to come on here and show you guys. I'm not going. Okay. I'm walking back. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.